It's March 2022 with the welder in his beautiful welding shop. 58 is going under surgery as we speak. You can see the framework is being done and the holes in the trunk and the spare tire well. So only the tail section needed welding. The rest of the frame is solid. So that's the driver's side's done. Working on the passenger side. So on my way to town, I figured I'll stop in and say howdy do and see how the old girl's coming. So once the frame is finished, he's going to work on the rockers, get those squared up, and then the floors. And just go step by step after that. And of course the quarters are going to be a major improvement when these get cut out and replaced. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the road.